First, visit mail.hostinger.com in order to log into your Hostinger webmail. Now, once you're inside your Hostinger email inbox, simply click on Compose. Then fill in the email address of the person you want to contact, then the subject line and the message. And to attach a downloadable file, simply click on Attach a file. Let's say that this is the file that I want to send to the other person. Double click it and it will be uploaded here. If you can attach multiple downloadable files like that, and as you see, maximum allowed file size is 34 megabytes. Now let's write a message to myself to see how this looks like on the recipient end. This email has a downloadable file. Let's send this email. Message sent. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom.builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And this is the message I've just sent to myself, and let's try to download this. Simply click on download. As you see, it was downloaded. And this is how to attach a downloadable file in Hostinger email. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.